Hello. In this time, I will present our paper that has a title Design of a Road Marking Violation Detection System at Railway Level Crossing with ID in this paper is 35,675. My name is Hafizu Silawati, and I am one of the author in this paper. I am and my friend Sivanur Fadilah and Agung Ingvanwardin from the Department of Electronic Electrical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Garut, Garut, Indonesia. And our partner is Wahju Sediono from Department of Mechatronic International Islamic University Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. In this paper, we divide into 4 parts. The first is introduction. In Indonesia, when a train is at a level crossing, the vehicle lane that should be 1 lane will be used as 2 lane. This causes congestion after the training is passed. So, our focus is to drive who cross road marking boundaries when train pass through level crossing by recording license plate data in a database. This data can then be used by police as a ground for issuing fine. And this research is important for ensure that car and motorcycle drive adhere to regulation at railway crossing. In this research, we use Raspberry Pi for a microcontroller and ultrasonic sensor to calculate distance value from the device to the road, and webcam to take a video and at the railway level crossing, buzzer for warning driver who pass through level crossing, and website to show a license plate that pass through level crossing. And the second part is method. Feature 2 is a flowchart system. The first is start, and then the second is ultrasonic the distance. If the distance more than 110 centimeter or less than 150 centimeter, the webcam will on and then we'll take a video. And in the video, we'll make a detection area, and using SSD, the system will detect the object and classification the object. In this research, we classify the object to the car and a motorcycle. If the system detect the car, then the buzzer will sound for a car. And if the system detect a motorcycle, the buzzer will sound for motorcycle. And after 17 seconds, the system will take a picture, and then the system will detect the license plate using HAR cascade, and then the license plate will detect the number of the license plate using OCR, and after the license plate translate to the character will save to the database and will match into database license plate number. Okay, and then we take a picture 2. The picture 2 is an electronic system design, and then the picture 3 is prototype railway door crossing. Okay, for the object classification, we use SSD method to classification an object. The first is car, and then the second is motorcycle. And for vehicle number plate detection, we use HAR cascade classifier to detect number plate object detection. And we use OCR or optical character recognition to detect letter and number on number plate. The third part is result and discussion. We make our prototype. The door stop automatically close open the arrival of the train schedule. And then if the distance falls within the range of more than 110 centimeter or less than 140 centimeter, the webcam will activate. Table 1 is an error calculation from ultrasonic sensor reading. The first is sensor reading on webcam condition from low to high distance has average error 0.573. And the second is sensor reading on webcam condition from high to low distance has average error 0.582. And for the object classification testing, we classify an object to a motorbike or motorcycle and cars. And for average delay for motorbike is 0.702, and average delay for classification cars is 0.554. In this research, we know that time average delay is less than for the car. And then the vehicle number plate detection test. In our research, we divide plate into two types, a black plate and then a white plate. For the first is the original character is D1175NW, and character recognition result has various character, and with percentage 100% is two testing from two testing. But in the object to a motorbike has original characters is Z2664DBD. The character result is has 100% just for one test. And for the object tree motorbike with black plate, we have character original is Z4724DAQ, and for this character or this plate, we just now have an 100% for the testing character. And for the average percentage of success is 64.45. Okay. And then testing sending data to the database. Features 9 is a website for recording violator of road marking at railway level crossing. In this part, we translate the number plate and then save the character to the database, and then after that we match the database from our database and the OCR, the character from OCR, I mean. Okay. In this part is data analysis and discussion. Okay, from our research, we know that the webcam fails to produce good image during nightmare and rainy condition. And then we know that the webcam did not function well because it can only be used in the daytime under clear weather condition. And thereupon Raspberry Pi, a drawback of this research is the relatively long detection delay. This because the Raspberry Pi utilize perform dual function for detection for controlling the sensor. And for the OCR still has some shortcoming, including its inability to discuss between character or number that have a similar shape, such as number 2 and letter Z. And another testing for the OCR is that during testing, the system encountered reading error where the number 7 was misread as the letter Z, the letter D as a letter E, and the letter Q as a letter O or G or C. And the fourth part is the conclusion. Okay. In this research, has successfully designed a system capable of detecting vehicle that violate road marking at railway crossing. But for the future research, to reduce the delay, the system can be attempted to separate it for a control system or control function and for detect the object. And then in our research, the camera's position must be precisely aligned with the number plate to ensure proper recognition of the character of the number plate. Various method can be employed for license plate character detection to determine which character recognition method is more accurate. And then for the future research, could also focus on enhancing data security measure for license plate data, such as encrypting license plate information or improving system security overall. Okay, I think all of our presentation in our paper. Thank you. I hope our paper can be useful for other people. Thank you very much.